In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to sign up or create QuickBooks Online account. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser, then head over to the official website of QuickBooks. Once you're on the home page, you will see options such as Start Free Trial, Buy Now, or another sign-up option, depending on the current offers available in your region. If a free trial is available, you can choose that to explore QuickBooks before purchasing a subscription. Next, you will be taken to the pricing page where you'll need to choose the plan that best fits your business. QuickBooks offers several plans with different features, so take a moment to compare them and select the one that best fits you. After selecting your plan, you'll be asked to create your QuickBooks account. Enter your email address, first name, last name, and create a strong password. You may also see an option to receive promotional emails from QuickBooks. You can choose whether you would like to receive those updates before continuing. Once you have entered your information, click continue or one more step to proceed. Now you'll be prompted to verify your phone number. After you do that, QuickBooks will then guide you through a short setup process to personalize your account. Enter your business name, choose the industry your business belongs to, and select the type of business structure such as sole proprietor, partnership, or corporation. Depending on your responses, QuickBooks may ask additional questions about the apps you use, how you track expenses, or how you plan to use the platform. If you are not ready to answer these questions, you can usually select skip for now and complete them later. Next, QuickBooks may invite you to connect your bank accounts or credit cards so your transactions can be imported automatically. And that's all it takes to create a QuickBooks Online account. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.